Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare CBD versus a cameraman. We'll explore their distinct characteristics and functions, helping you understand why a direct comparison of better is highly dependent on your specific needs. We'll look at what each offers and how they contribute in entirely different realms. Let's dive into the unique aspects of both. CBD, short for cannabidiol, is a natural compound found in the cannabis plant. Unlike THC, it does not produce a high. People often use CBD products, such as oils or edibles, for various reasons, including promoting relaxation or supporting overall well-being. It's widely available in many forms, with concentrations often measured in milligrams. A cameraman or camera operator is a vital part of any production team, whether for film, television, or live broadcasts. They are responsible for capturing the visual story, making critical decisions about framing, focus, and movement. This role requires technical expertise, artistic vision, and often involves working long hours on set, sometimes handling equipment weighing many kilograms. So which is better? It truly depends on what you need. If you're seeking potential personal wellness support, CBD might be your choice. If you require professional visual storytelling and content creation, a skilled cameraman is indispensable. They serve entirely different purposes, making a direct better comparison illogical. For other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.